think of coming there, setting up and troubling the locals. Hui na hui चोयल्यार ही हुकुमशाही dictatorial approach of this government should stop. म्हाका दिसता this government is scared about facing the opposition.
आमगेले केपें मतदार आजपासून ऑलमोस्ट 35% ऑफ द पॉप्युलेशन इज गोईंग विदाउट वॉटर. दोन दिसांनी उदक मेळटा.
सोमयन्यान कंपॅरेटिवली एक दीस आनी कांय लोकांनी सांगलो ते भाशेन की इवन इट वॉज वन डे वी ट्रायड आवर बेस्ट वॉटेवर वेज जे लोकांगेले प्रश्न मांडपाक स्पेशली सकाळच्या वेळार जे एक मोठे स्कॅम ह्या सरकारान केलेले आहा हँड इन ग्लव्स विथ द ग्रीन सेस विथ द क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्ट अदानी जिंदाल एंड ऑल दीस पीपल हो इतलो कोळसो हिंगा गोंयांत हाडून आज बारीक लोकांक जावं वास्कोच्या मुरमुगांव पोर्टान जावं दुसऱ्या गोंयांत जो कोळशाचो हो प्रॉब्लम आहा आज ह्या सरकारान दाखोवन दिलेलें आहा. बारीक लोकांले जेन्ना एक बील इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बील थारीको ना 1-2 म्हयने जाल्यार कनेक्शन काट करता. नाव वी आर गोइंग टू टेक दीस very सिरियसली. स्पेशली it involves thousands of crores of rupees. This is the biggest fraud जे म्हाका दिसता we have highlighted in the starting of this year. The way selectively notices were sent, selectively the way the minister preferred the chief minister to answer. Basically, I believe there is no legislature department has failed miserably. आज बारीकशे दुसरे प्रश्न खास करून कुंकळच्या भागांत जे हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम लोकांक जाता विथ रिगार्ड्स टू दी इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट पोल्युशन एंड देर इज अ रिपोर्ट विच सेज दॅट सो मेनी केसीस ऑफ सोरोसिस, स्किन एलर्जी, कॅन्सर, निमोनिया हे सगळे केसीस आय हायलायटेड एंड आस्क्ड फॉर अ कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव health checkup in the entire Kunkoli municipal area. People are affected by this industrial pollution. It is said that few elected representatives have an eye to put a fish mill there. I will expose that also in the days to come. Who are these people? In case they think of coming there, setting up and troubling the locals. दुसरे आमचे जे calling attention आशिल्ले ह्या दोन्ही calling attentionान we spoke. खास करून जे सारजोरा एक रेल्वे स्टेशन येता. बेसिकली दी आन्सर्स वर गिवन वर व्हेरी वोग दॅट स्टेट सेंटराचो सब्जेक्ट न्हू. इट्स नॉट ऑफ द स्टेट, इट ऑफ द सेंट्रल सब्जेक्ट. सो दीस इज बेसिकली डन बाय डायरेक्शन्स फ्रॉम डेली. डेल्लीच्यान हिंगा येता आनी दे आर गिवींग देम डिरेक्शन्स. द चीफ मिनिस्टर इज नॉट अवेअर ऑफ एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग, नो कंट्रोल. आनी with several private members' resolutions. Today we got several issues with regards to जे MPTIN जे pollution जाता systematically due to dredging, the problems faced by local fishermen. It was this same Sarkar that brought the nationalization of rivers, and specifically when we say nationalization of rivers, this is not in the interest of the state. It had 43.2 million metric tons of coal will come to the port by 2035 as per the Sagarmala project. So it's good to see that opposition MLAs raising is okay. Even the ruling high, they are themselves fed up. Munkarial Act, OPOD Act, there was a private member's resolution. Hui na hui म्हाका दिसता the total Munkarial cases and tenant cases altogether is huge. Is thousands of cases are pending. Why injustice to these people? There was a healthy discussion on that as well. They try to bombard the bills as usually. Zuari, we had said, Vijay Sardesai also highlighted in the past. We also said that this was one of the biggest scams. Today, our Advocate Carlos Ferreira spoke on the bill in detail of how these people are hand in glove with these land grabbers, land sharks. Nantar जे आय रिपोर्ट जो प्रेजेंट केलो with regards to the PUC of 14, 15, 15, 16, it was put for voting on the floor of the House and it was rejected. ह्या लोकांक हो रिपोर्ट घोडे तिकट लागलो आसतलो. This is expected from people. We are here to take action against erring officials. You will not expect something from me that is very to the liking of the government. So definitely म्हाका दिसता आज होईना होईन. At the end you could see the law minister trying to say that the casting aspirations on the speaker, and it was good that the speaker clarified that and put that particular thing for the PUC report for voting, and after which जेन्ना म्हाका दिसता हिस्ट्रीन जायत पुसा पयले पुसा जाता. Today I am not sure whether a report that was adopted, after adoption of the report, it has been rejected based on this. That is म्हणजे तेंगे right, but हुई ना हुई चोयल्यार ही हुकुमशाही dictatorial approach of this government should stop. Several issues we expect. First of all, this is the temple of democracy. हिंगा session जे एक दिसा जाता, हे एक दीस session comparatively is not in the interest of the state. Issues well discussed here and highlighted can be improvised. So म्हाका दिसता this government is scared about facing the opposition. कोत्ते तो मागीर उलोवपाचें. क्लियर तो जाय दोस्त तूं सांगोता. क्लियर हें जातलें तें जातलें म्हणून सांगोता. गेल ते वर्सा 2022 सांगलोलें 1 वर्सान मिनिस्टर वॉज ऑन रिकॉर्ड. 1 वर्सान आपूण कोतमूर रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर. आतां 1 वर्सां जालें आनी नाव वी आर ऑलमोस्ट इन 25. सो ते जायत कोताय मू जायत सांगोता हाय, बट ते सगळे हेंगेलो हिस्ट्री वील रिपीट इट सेल्फ. आय एम क्वायट शुअर. आनी हें रेजोल्युशन आनी एक पुसा तेंगेलो आमदार बरें घालीत. Moin Gudino needs to understand that whatever he will talk, he will get back the same medicine. Whatever was spoken inside has been expunged. But Moin Gudino should concentrate on the work. He should not be busy. Too many times moving in farmhouse is not good. I don't have farmhouse. So I think जे local issue आहे, he should concentrate on this particular issues pertaining to the state of resolution आले 24 hours water supply. मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा 4 और मेटली मग ती 4 और काही ना. आणि हर गल जल केल मोडे. हर गल जल नोड बीड बीड
ते वॉटर सप्लायचेर हांव सांगता. वॉटर सप्लायचेर हर गल नल म्हणटा तें जल ना. आतां म्हगे केपेंचे मतदारसंघात वी मोस्ट ऑफ आर एरियाज लायक खोला, मोरपिल्ला, बारशें they are using natural resources like spring, and तेंगले उदक एम नोड घायला आनी बिल घेताय. I'm telling you, and this is on record, that tap has been fitted to spring waters and bills are coming. Only tap and pipeline घायल मुटेंगा. आमगेले केपे मतदारसंघ आजपासून almost 35% of the population is going without water. दोन दिसान बीन उदक मेळटा. So a lot of things we have last 2 years I have tried to improve pipeline घायलेस म्हणा न्यू PWD काम केला म्हणा पाइपलाइन घेताय. वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट दॅट जायका वॉटर लाइन सगळी करपाक वताय. बट वॉट गव्हर्मेंट इज सेइंग दॅट 24 hours वॉटर सप्लाय इज कॅनॉट बी टेकन. इट इज ऑल टोटल रॉंग आनी हे लोकांक फसयताय. दॅट इज द ओनली थिंग ऑन दिस रिगार्डिंग वॉटर.